Okay, so today I am going to go over the landing gear, how to assemble it, and basically get that going. As I mentioned, it's a good idea to do sections or pieces just to make the build go a little bit easier. Also, as I think I mentioned in one of the other videos, we are working on a few different versions of landing gear. This one should be primarily what goes out, but there is going to be a competition version as well as a larger commercial version of landing gear. So without any more delays, we will go into this one. This is the Longbow. I think I went over it before. This is the Hawk. These would come with the Hawk. These would come with the Longbow. So we're going to go over the Longbow. The Longbow and the Hawk, the assembly is the same. So some things to point out. If you can see it, the shape of this. The flat part is going to go on the frame, and then the vertical then angled portion is what the landing gear is going to be connected to. So it would basically look something along the lines of this right here, where it goes like that. The landing gear are going to shoot out this way and that way. Basically one going like that and then one going like that. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to go ahead and do some pre-assembly here. You should have 12 millimeter M3, 8 of them, and 8 nylock lock nuts. Now, some people are like, huh? Nylock? This is a nut, but it has a little nylon insert in there that locks it into place. It's a very, very good screw to use. So I'm just going to start getting this ready. And we want to make sure our holes line up. And all I'm going to do, actually let me backtrack a little bit. We have, how many do we have here? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So if we use them all, we'll only get one done. So we're gonna do 4 and 4, so that way we know we have enough. So you will go there. Like that. Like that. And then we will do the front one. Like this. I'm not going all the way because I'm going to need to do the nut. So you'll take your handy dandy little needle nose. These are all brand new out of the toolkit, so they're a little stiff still. But basically you're just going to go like that. Like this. I'm just getting it started, and I'll do the same thing for this guy. Get it where it's showing a little, and then get to where it's easy to get to. Like that. So we've started them. I haven't cranked it all the way down because in case I want to move it around or anything like that. I think I will have them at the back. So that feels pretty snug right now. So I'm just going to go through and crank them down. Nice and snug. Alright, so there's one. Also remember, so this is going to be like that. We want that one to be there. So we need him, let's see, like that. Just want to make it easy for yourself. So I'm going to take this guy. These are 3D printed, so these will probably bite into them, which is all right. That's good. That helps. I'm going to come back on this guy. You don't have to watch me do this. You can fast forward. This is mainly just to show you the process of assembly. Who knows? I'll wind up. Let's see if I make any mistakes. That's the beauty of video, is you guys can be like, hey, you didn't do something, or something I think of, others might not, or something I might not think of, others do, I am finding. So while I'm doing this, I will mention that if you have something that you think I need to include, something I may have missed, anything like that, comment on the video, so that way I see it, or email us here at OnPoint, so that we can make the adjustments, because we want this to be as user-friendly as possible. Alright, so we did that one to the back. Let's get this guy to the back, and then I'm just going to hold him, start cranking. Alright, that's good. Same thing on this guy. Okay, now you have, now you have your two landing gear.